Hello, welcome once again to the channel of Bopi Tech. Today we are going to learn how to make money online once again through your Vodafone Cash. Now, many people have been using this Vodafone SIM with Vodafone Cash, never earn even credit or bundle free. But today I'm going to teach you how you are going to earn free money with this your Vodafone Cash SIM. And if you know you are new to this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, comment below, and give us a thumbs up. I really like your thumbs up a lot because it makes the videos go viral, and also recommended your comment a lot. Please subscribe. If you know you are already a subscriber, please give us a thumbs up and let's move on to let this channel grow. For us not to waste time, this video is not going to make long because it's just a simple task that we are going to do. Now this one, because something points giving, when you are using your Vodafone SIM, whatever you do, Vodafone people are giving you points. And now if you want to redeem these points into cash, you can do. If you want to redeem it to credit to, it is there. So today I'm going to teach you how you are going to redeem this your points into cash, credit, or bundle. So anyone you wish. So for us not to waste time, let's just go to our dial button. Now the code that you are going to dial is *533#. So you dial, choose the option Vodafone because it's Vodafone we are dealing with. Now they say welcome to Ecoso Red Loyalty Program. 1. Check your red coins. 2. Redeem red coins. And 3. Information. Now because we are not here to do anything, we are here to change our coins into cash. So we first check the coins that we are having. 1. Now 2 million worth of prizes to be won. Equity coins 240 days. Red loyalty 140 coins. Top up bundle via Voda Cash to earn more red coins. Please press 0 to go back. So we are going back to redeem our coins into what? Cash. So let's see whether our coins reach the minimum requirement that is required to give us what? A cash. So we'll now purchase 2 again. I see. Now you can redeem only equity coins, voice minute to calls all networks, data, that is 1. Voice minute to calls all networks. 2. Data for browsing. And 3. Voda Cash because you are here to make money. So we'll choose option 3, which is cash. Now maybe you may use this thing for long because my SIM I did not use it for such a taxes. I did not get more coins. Now to get this money, they say 500 coins is equivalent to 2 cedis. 1,200 coins is equivalent to 5 cedis. 2,000 coins is equivalent to 10 cedis. 4,000 coins is equivalent to 20 cedis. 10,000 coins is equivalent to 50 cedis, and 20,000 coins is equivalent to 100 cedis. Because some of you have used this SIM for long, so anyone you just type in, boom, you get. So some people are here, you have used this SIM for long, and maybe your coins has rise up. So just go and check this. Just watch this video and take the procedures and redeem your coins. So when you read the last part like this, the coins that you check and you are having, just type in that number and redeem your cash. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to this channel. Please people support us and let's reach the number of requirement, and our channel will reach the higher level so that we will all spend together. Thank you and goodbye to everyone.